Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner, the place where I share all of my financial faux pas on my journey to pay off 6 figures of overall debt, including my house. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. Pull up a seat and stay a while. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you all so much. Today, we are going to go over my July 28th paychecks. Of course, both of them came on the same day. And handling the final stuff for the Capital One, I went ahead and cashed out the rewards for that. So we got that check also that we can budget this time around. So let's get to this, shall we? Okay, y'all, so this paycheck did not quite turn out the way that I had hoped. And I wish I could tell you that there was a really good reason for it, but there wasn't. I was tired, I didn't get everything done, and therefore did not get my hours in. So $46.17, that's what this paycheck was, which I guess you could say the stomach bug did hit my house, but it didn't hit me in particular. So yeah, there's that. So $46.17, we don't have anything coming out for fixed expenses, so we're just gonna carry that $46.17 forward. As always, our change goes to the buffer. So I'm going to add buffer and it's going to get the 17 cents. Now, $46 does not cover everything in the variable expenses. And Christmas is a saving or a sinking fund that we have. So I'm not going to put that $46 there. Now, like always, I'm treating these as if they came in on different days, and learned a valuable lesson this month because I was so excited that I had enough money to cover everything that I did not put a variable income budget spot into my notebook this month. So yeah, there's that. So let's just pull out a post-it note here. What I'm gonna do is we got $46, so we'll just start from here. We've got $20 for miscellaneous, and that leaves us $26 for pet. So 35 minus 26 means that we've got $9 that needs to go into pet in the future if we get extra money. This gives us our $46.17, which brings us to 0, but we still have this 25 over here. So I'm gonna do Christmas and 25. Did not budget anything there and ran out of money, obviously. So we have these dollar amounts here that are going to need to be picked up along the way. Let's move on to the next check. Okay, so my KYTC paycheck was $1,346.38, which is more than enough to cover the $1,235. Yay! And so we need to go visit the excess income. Okay, so we've got our KYTC check for $1,346.38. We had already budgeted $1,235 and the buffer is getting 38 cents. When you subtract all of that out, you've got $111 left. Now, pull this up here. We know that we're gonna have to do pet 9 and Christmas 25 out of this. It always goes to variable income first. I don't have that on my plan up here. I don't even know if you can see that plan. Let me pull this down a little bit so you can see what the plan is. But I don't even have variable income up here because it just automatically goes to variable income first. Okay, so this thing is still not working real great. 111 minus 9 minus 25. My cat's been up there. Equals 77. Okay, so I'm gonna move this over. Now we're gonna do debt, Christmas, savings challenges, and eat out. So 77 times 0.4. We're gonna round that up to 31 because it's 30.8. I don't know if you all can see that or not. 77 times 0.2 is gonna be 15 because it's 15.4. 77 times 0.15 is going to be 12 for each one of these two. And then 77 minus 31 minus 15 minus 12 minus 12 is going to give us $7 for eating out. So now all I have to do is plug these numbers in on my paycheck budget. So we want buffer is always 38 cents. And then pet is going to be increased by 9. It's not over here again. And it's not on here. So we're going to say pet 9. Christmas is going to get 37 more than what's here. So that's going to bring us to 58. debt snowball is going to get $31 in addition to what's here, so that brings us to $50. Lipedema is going to get 15. It's not on here yet, so we'll just add it here. Christmas is already taken care of. Savings challenges is going to get 12. It's not on here anywhere. And then eat out is going to get 7, so that brings that to 59. Everything else is just going to be carried over, so because there's so many, let me time lapse that for you. Okay, so I went ahead and I put everything in. I've totaled them up. So let's see if you guys can, oh, that's showing up a little bit better. Not when I hold it like this, but when I hold it like that, maybe eventually it'll be okay. Okay, so we've got 1346.38 minus 735, and that is 611.38. And if you subtract 366.38, we have 245, which is the same thing that we have here. So that means that all of this is accounted for, and I can plug it into my little spreadsheet, but we still have one more thing to budget. Okay, I don't have my ruler handy, so we're just gonna use a straight edge there. My COVID-19 test that no one's had to use in a while. Okay, so we also have Capital One rewards, and it is $60.44. Nothing has already been budgeted, so everything follows the rules from our excess income plan. It's not over $100, so I don't get anything. So we're just gonna say the buffer, and then debt, edema, Christmas, savings challenge, and eat out. So the buffer is gonna get the 44 cents. If you do 60 times 0.4, you have $24 in debt. 60, well, that's going to be half of that, so that's going to be 12. If we do 60 times 0.15, that gives 9 and 9. 18, 30, 54. 60 minus 54 is 6. So I will get all of this put into my spreadsheet that I keep with in my wallet, and it'll tell me how much I need to pull out for the cash envelope stuffing. That will be my next video, so be sure to join me for that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen. I'll see you all next time. Have a great couple of days, everybody. Bye.